Air pollutant emission and their control. The only important source of emission from ethylene oxide manufacture is the purge vent. Typical pollutants from the purge absorber vent of an ethylene oxide plant using gear oxidation are shown in the table 1.17. For a typical 90 million kg per year plant, the vent gas rate would be 9775 SCCM. The typical main process vent pollutants for a plant using oxygen oxidation are shown in the table 1.18. For a 90 millions kg per year plant, the main process vent gas rate would be nearly about 3.4 SCCM. Because the carbon oxide vent of 164 SCCM contain an insignificant amount of contamination, so it can be vented and sold as carbon dioxide. Oh, nice. So from here we can extract carbon dioxide. In terms of chemical engineering, what is SCCM called? It's not shown here. If you see anything, just let me know, or comment down below if you know what the full form of this is. Okay, the most efficient method to control emission from the ethylene oxide plant is to feed the main process vent to a catalyst combustor and use the hot gas for this unit in expanders to drive the process compressor. More than 99% removal of commercial gas would be expected. Sorry for that noise. Formaldehyde was produced by the air oxidation of methanol. About 50% was used in combination with phenol, urea or melamine to form resin and adhesive. Oh, correct. The largest and fastest growing use of phenol formaldehyde resin is as adhesive for plywood. Urea formaldehyde resin is primarily used as an adhesive for particle board. Formaldehyde is also used to manufacture hexamethyl what is this, man? Litnated ramine pentaerythritol. I can't pronounce an easier word, and this is, oh my god, this is out of my box. Okay guys, so can we use this thing? Read aloud, come on, read aloud, bro.
Pentaerythritol and several miscellaneous resins. Figure 1.8 shows a flow diagram for manufacturing formaldehyde. 1.6.11 air pollutant emissions and
thank you for that. Let's go to another. Okay, whose voice was good, mine or the robot's? If you think the robot was good, I can do that too, right? But the more human touch there is, the more beautiful the video will sound. That's what I am, I feel that way. So just let me know. Okay, so air pollutant emission and their control. The major source of emission from a formaldehyde plant is the exit gas stream from the scrubber. The amount of composition of gaseous emission and the type of control device that can be used depending upon the type of process. For the mixed metal oxide catalyst process, the pollutant in point per ton of 37% formaldehyde solution produced are shown in table 1.919. The value given are the plant operating the maximum recycle for non-recycle operation. This flow diagram of methanol process for the manufacture of formaldehyde, noting potential source of emission. So methanol is given to form aldehyde, formaldehyde. I think this we have learned in +2, right? There is observer, incineration, water or urea solution in this observer, and formaldehyde is formed. So values would be greater for a typical plant producing 45 million kg per year of 37% formaldehyde. The exit gas flow rate at maximum recycle would be 9.6 SCCM. A water scrubber would be used to remove formaldehyde. So this is a table that I haven't shown you. No control, incineration with water scrubbing. And incineration is used to oxidize all contaminants from this stream. So incineration is to oxidize it, but because of very low this heat content of the gas, considerable auxiliary fuel should be required. So extra fuel should be required, okay, to oxidize. So for the silver catalyst process, the pollutant in pounds per ton of 37% formaldehyde solution produced are shown in table 1.2. For a typical plant producing 100 million 1B 45 million kg per year of 13% formaldehyde, the gas flow rate would be 62 SCCM with a heat content of about 5,52,000 calorie per SCCM. The composition of the paint gas depends again on design and operating condition of the observer, but the observation is easier because of the lower gas volume. Incineration can be used to oxide all the contamination in the stream. So thank you for watching. See you on another video with this topic.